Tell me any food that takes little time to cook that is good for your health. You may not find. That is when you hear fast food. In most cases, health experts will discourage fast foods. Why? Because there is a required process for quality food to be cooked. If you check, a long time ago, there were no established medical facilities, but people never used to get sick anyhow. Why? Because they used to cook their food very well. A high percentage of most illnesses that you are going through came from the food that you are eating. And most of this dangerous food are foods that you put on fire and within a few minutes, they're ready on the table. What makes you think that success does not require process? What makes you think that success is like fast food? And if you check very well, anything that comes without going through the right process will always affect the health of your life. And so this mindset of quick fix, I must have it now the way so-and-so has it. And this mindset that young people think they can use their body to do business without capital will only harm the health of your life. It is eating your future in advance. And when you get to the future, you find that your future is very empty because you downloaded it prematurely and consumed it thinking you won't get there. Any true greatness or any true success is like quality food that takes time to cook. Take time to cook your food. You'll not fall sick. Thank you.